Hello guys, good morning. I hope you're having a good day. I have already followed up the previous vlog from yesterday. Today, obviously, we're going to open this guy right here. Uh, but first of all, I would like to give out my condolences to one of our fallen distributor, Balisong dealers, the Atienza family. I wanna give out my condolences to you. I've heard one of our beloved Balisong dealers has passed away. So, and that will be no other than Madam Araceli Atienza. Araceli Atienza. So, yeah, because why is that? Because I have ordered lots of custom-made balisongs from the Atienza family. That's why once I've heard about her passing, I believe she deserves to, to make to have her final respects, from me, of course, one of her avid customers. So yeah, let's open this guy. $24 cm. Really fragile it is. Really fragile. One last and then we're going to see what's inside already. Immediately you can already tell how special it is. Just look at the bolsters, how fat they are, how protruding they are, and how accurate they have been buffed, filed, in turning them into the perfect, almost perfect circular bolsters. Can you guess what type of blade this is? Yes. Actually, for the initial information about this guy, this is I've been ordering custom mades, but this time around, this guy, I copped this on hand by Miss Jenny Atienza. So yes. Okay. First of all, please excuse my child because she's on her Zoom classes online at this point. I can see it. So anyhow, yeah. Going back to this 24 cm DeerHorn bearing blade, and it's really thick. Thank you, Ma'am Jenny Atienza. See my finger, so finger marks. Yeah, of course, it's normal to have your fingerprints or finger marks on the brass gold bolsters. This one is not a custom made. I bought this. This one she offered. Ma'am Jenny Atienza offered this to me because I was looking for DeerHorn inserts, and since she said at the moment when I was talking to her, she said that she doesn't have an available DeerHorn yet for custom made, so instead she offered me this one 24 cm DeerHorn. Really nice pattern of the DeerHorn. I love it. It gives a really unique and exquisite look on it, because the pattern is really uneven. You can tell that it is really real, It was made by nature. So yeah, let me flip it open and let's see the blade profile, because I'm really excited. This is going to be my first time to have the Tari-Buyod type of blade. Yeah, look at the bottom part of the bolsters. I really love the almost perfect circular bolsters mounted. Okay, so guys, this is the blade profile, the Tari slash Buyod merged, or what they call fusion. This is going to be my first time having this kind of blade profile. I love it, and also the special long canal, you know, featured on the other side of the cheek of the blade. It's really deep, you know. I really love that intention of giving more character to it. I love everything in it. The gold brass, you know, the sturdiness, you know. Again, the unique pattern of the DeerHorn. It's rich color. Yeah. What else could I say? Almost perfect handcrafting for me. As for me, I'm really happy, you know. Even though I've seen a lot, I've held a lot, but this one I really would cherish this next to the Leo Rivera's DeerHorn. Yes, this one is kind of expensive actually. Maybe it's because of the thickness of the brass, the inserts that they placed, you know, the DeerHorn, the type of animal. Of course, the blade, the type of blade material that they used. Just look at that, oh. Wow. Loving it. Just look at the DeerHorn pattern. Ain't that cool? Again, condolences to the Atienza family. Ma'am Jenny Atienza, maraming salamat po. And God bless us all. I just wanna share to you guys my newly acquired Atari bearing blade 24 centimeter DeerHorn. Out. Peace.